Welcome to, this is the second Temu haul that I'll be doing, so bear with me. This is actually my second take. Yesterday everything my phone went flat, so bear with me. So today we'll be going through my kids, he's 7 years old, so his clothes. We'll be going through some of the home items I bought and a little bit of stuff that I bought for myself. Okay. Alright, so without further ado, let's start with my boys' clothes. It was a big haul. We're dealing with a big haul today, guys, so just to prepare you. So, for my son, I got a couple of jackets, but this is one of them that is quite gorgeous, isn't it? 79. The quality is quite lovely as well, as you can see. So this is going to keep him warm. I like this mustardy color on him, so that's for those. I've got a couple of these hats for him. Tried to wear this one yesterday myself. So there's 3 of these. There's there's also the, how cool, isn't it? Gray one. Okay. And then for church or something like that, I bought him, it's a double breast little jacket you can always wear with, and the quality as well. Guys, you would think I bought this in Zara. I leave as always, the pictures and the prices on here, and in the description box as well. Check this grey jacket, grey, and I like this kind of like a neon grey, and then yeah, so authentic. Look at the handle. So this is quite cute. Lovely grey jacket. Now I have this lovely green, if you can see. I've got the whole thing. I've got these on the floor because there's a couple of them. I've got this green outfit. Isn't that cute? So you'll be wearing this with this sweater and this lovely overcoat, waistcoat. So, you know, he's got a little hoodie. I mean, just the finishing on this stuff. It might not be layered, but not a problem because he's wearing a sweater. And then look at this, just the quality of this stuff. It's awesome. That's the green. I think I have another color. I've got this green again, as you can see. That was the light green, but look at this. I mean, it's the quality here, and try to see the finishing. These guys here, this is like top-notch stuff, honestly. Look at the wood. Nice, warm and fuzzy. I bought this for him to these turtlenecks. I don't know if you can see. Like, I bought a size 9 because for 9-year-olds, because my boy is just big, tall. This could have done with a bit of a thick material, but not completely. Got the almost creamish white, and then this one they can go with any colors that I bought here. So this is really for winter, for my son to be ready for winter, because winter is upon us. Don't want to. My husband always says, you sound like Game of Thrones. And then I love these. So this is like your little guy. It's almost like he's going to a baseball game in it. I like the white, just the guys. I wish you could see this. Just the material. Oof, I wish I had this for myself as well. This goes with this top. So a lot of things can match for him. I have the same, I don't know if you saw the green one, so now I've got the beige one, almost like a cream. I love this. I wish I could get this for myself. Same material, lovely, thick, good for winter. So, and then I bought him just, see, this boy is so tall. Something from when he's from school, trying to do his homework, running around the yard, you know, just chilling on a Saturday morning. Just put a gown on top of it. Okay, that is all his stuff, my son's stuff. Now moving on to stuff that I got for myself, a little bit for the house. You know I'm crazy about decor. I've got for myself, look at this blazer. I mean, I must tell you a story. So my husband left my is it Karen Millen blazer in one of the hotels we stayed at, and when I called back, unfortunately I won't name the hotel, they just told me can't find it, sorry. So this one I'm not gonna be mad about it, but I just thought this is just lovely for autumn and maybe into the winter. Look at that. I love these buttons, guys. Seriously. It's a double breast. Let's see if I can wear it. I'll take a picture of myself wearing it. But, you know, make it look nice with a nice turtleneck, brown turtleneck. So quite cute. Cute indeed. Okay, that's for me. And then I bought little slippers for winter, keep me warm. I bought these eyeliners that I think there's about 10 or so in here, or even more. And I just like you know, the eyeshadow stick. Sorry, eyeshadow. This one fell. Okay, that's interesting. I'm always careless with these things. That's why I buy cheap stuff. I don't want to worry. I can't find it now, guys. Anyway, oh, there it is. This is why Temu, you need to, or is it me? I'm just a tomboy sometimes. There it is. Does it still work? Yeah. Okay, all. So we've got the last bit that I had here was, I think I was showing these eyeliners. One of them fell. But the last one is this eyeliner here. I don't know if you guys can see. Different colors, green and let's use the earthy colors. Okay, that's that. And then I wanted this for the house. This is more for the house. It's cute. I thought this would be big. I'm a bit disappointed, but I can always use it for my putting jewelry and small things like that in here. Sorry, I forgot to also show you. I bought for myself this rolling eyebrow pencil. See that? Okay. And what else for the house? One more thing for the house. Sorry, I thought these are quite nice. Look at it. Quite lovely. Sorry, I got these. Okay, guys, and then lastly, I've got, look at these beautiful, I'll call them my Nespresso. You know I'm obsessed with my machine. So I've got 4 of them in here. Glass copper keys. So I will be using these to enjoy my machine that I'm obsessed with. Okay, guys, let me know what you think about the material of the stuff I bought. Guys, let me know what you think. So if you could please subscribe, like, comment, please help me to get to my 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all. See you in the next one. Mwah, mwah.